Alright, what's this? What are we doing?
You take a whole ear of corn. You do not trim it in any way. You cut it at the end just to make sure that it fits into the microwave. Then you take the whole ear of corn and you put it in the microwave. Each ear of corn goes in there for 4 minutes. If you have 2 ears of corn, it has to go in for 8 minutes. So we put 1 ear in and we're going to put 4 minutes in the microwave and let it cook. The 4 minutes is now up, and you've got to be careful. The corn is very hot. You take it out of the microwave. And the trick now is that you must cut at least 1 inch off the corn itself. When you do that, then you grab it by the other end, and out comes the corn. And there you got your corn. No silk, no nothing.